Okay guys, you're welcome to today's training. Today we shall be looking at on how to clone a website. Yes, you can use a tool to clone whatsoever website which you want to clone, okay? Whether a website was being built with UI UX or with code, you can clone any particular website which you want to clone, okay guys? So, peradventure you have a client who will give you a sample, say please I need this same type of website, everything on it should be on my own. Instead of you to be writing code or building with a UI UX, you can variably just use this tool to clone that particular website and install it into the client cPanel. Boom, the thing is live. The only thing you just have to do is just to change the logo, change the name and what have you. So you can simply do that, and this is what we'll be doing in today's training. Please guys, stay tuned while we begin this training. So this is the website which I want to clone. Okay, this is a beautiful website. I want to clone it into my cPanel, into my domain. Okay, I want to clone this particular website. So the tool which I shall be using is just download the tool httrack. So this is the tool httrack. Just open the site. So this is the link to download the httrack. If your system is 64-bit, you click on this. If your system is 32-bit, you click on the up one. Okay, so me, I won't be downloading mine because I already have the tool. Okay, I already have the tool, and this is my tool. I'll just open it. So once I open it, I click on my next. Then the project name, I have to give it a project name. Okay, so you can give it any name which you want to give yours. So make sure you are giving it either unique or whatever, but a name which you know it suits you. Okay, give my bliss. So I'll click on next. Then I'll type the URL. I have to go to that site, copy the URL, copy it, then I paste it into this feed. Then the next thing to click on next, click finish. So you allow it to clone. Just give it time. It's cloning the website. Okay, but thank you. I forgot to mention something to you guys. Not every website you will be able to clone. Okay, there are some websites that have database. That is the login page. You can clone the page, but you can't clone the database. Okay, you can't clone any website that has a database, but you can clone every other pages, both the login page itself, the home page, everything will clone, but the database login page will not be cloned. Okay, even though you clone the front end, but the back end of it will not go along with it. So just note that. Okay guys, so give it time to finish its cloning. Is basing cloning that particular website which we just input in the feed. Okay guys, so it has finished cloning. Okay, so the next thing to click on finish. Now you exit. Now to locate this file which you just cloned, you come to your computer with your hard disk. You go to your hard disk, you go to my websites. Then you see the bliss here. This is the bliss. Okay, you can see these are the files. These are the files. So what I should do just right click on this bliss, the folder. Then compress it to zip folder. You control this zip folder, you'll be able to attach it to your cPanel. Then this is it, that'll be attached to compressed to zip folder. So you leave here. Then the next thing, you open your cPanel. Okay, mine is already opened now. Please make sure you have a working and a live domain. So this is my cPanel. So the next thing I should be doing, come to my file manager. I want my file manager. Okay, please, if you are doing this for the first time, if you just recently bought a domain, yours will be showing empty here. Okay, I'll go to my word public_html, because whatsoever you are doing will be under public_html, because that will be the live it will be. Okay, now if you open your public_html, yours will be showing empty. Mine is filled up because I already have existing primary domain and other directory and my subdomain. So yours will be showing empty here in this feed. What you should just do is just click upload. But mine, I will be creating a folder, a directory. I want to clone this website into a directory, because my domain here is already occupied, my primary domain. So I want to create a directory and do mine. But yours, you just click on upload, and the next step which I'll be doing. Okay, just follow me as I'm doing mine. I'll be creating a folder, then I'll name it guest. I'll name it guest, then create folder. So this is the folder guest. I'll open it. Just like I said, you see mine is empty. So you click on upload, then select file. I'll locate where that file is. I have to locate where the file is. Then go to my website. There is the Bliss. Attach it. So you allow it to upload. Okay. Just give it time. Give it time to upload while it's going, and just chill. Take a bottle coke and chill. Okay, guys. So it's showing green. Once yours is showing green, it has successful. So the next thing for you to do is to go back. So this is the Bliss. So you right click on it, extract files, they close. So you just reload. So this is the folder. Okay, so I've successfully uploaded this clone file into my directory, but yet it's another thing. But this file is on this directory, but it's on this Bliss. So I want to take it to my guest. Remember, I created a folder which is guest. This a guest. So I want to take all the old content inside this Bliss to this guest. So I open the Bliss, then I select all files, then move. So you can see it's this public_html/guest/Bliss. So I'll remove that Bliss. So everything will now be under the guest. Say move files. So you can see everything I've moved. Go back to my home. Then this is my guest. If I open the guest now, you can see these are the files. Okay, so I'll just have to delete this Bliss. Delete this Bliss folder. Delete. Okay, so how successful uploaded it into my guest file. Now, since we have through with that, so the next thing for us to do is to open our directory. Now we have successfully uploaded this clone file into our guest. So we want to open our website. So this is the primary website. This is the Rhoda About Foundation. Then /guest. Remember, it's a folder. It's a directory. Guest. There. Open. Boom. So you can see it has opened. You can see that I successfully created this website with my cloning tool. You can see this is the one we clone. This is the original website. You can see the same thing. There's no difference. Okay, so you can see that I've cloned this website to my old domain. This is the person domain. So this is my. You can see if I open this login, just like I was saying, the login page will open, but you can't log into the database. Okay, you can't log in the database. So that's what we mean by that. So this is restriction. Everything will be showing, but you can't log in. So if I click on booking, book a room. So you can see everything is showing live, and then I can put this in English. Refresh it. Okay, so this the website which we have successfully we have done. We have cloned this website to our own domain. Okay guys, so this is it. So this is how to clone your website, clone any website to your domain without any issue. You can do this in less than 5 minutes. Okay, you can do this in less than 5 minutes. So guys, thank you for staying tuned. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates to come. Thank you guys.